You must unbolt these covers, engine undercovers, and then you will gain access to this bolt. It seems that it's Torx 45, and we are going to unbolt. Okay, so it's opened. It will be a little messy. Okay, it's unbolt. You have to press against the pen, and then we'll be fast. That's the bolt. So this is the old one. That's the crush washer. The thread is same. The only difference, the old one is Torx and the new one is Hex 8, I believe. We'll see. And there is a crush washer. I bought whole set for future oil exchange. That's ready. Okay, so they are not the same. This has to be other thread, so we have to reuse the bolt because I was not able to fit there the new bolt. Let's see this one. Okay. Yes, absolutely. It's the different thread. So I have to check the correct part number for this bolt. So the correct torque spec for this bolt is 30 Newton meters. Okay, done. Clean to see any possible leaks. Okay, perfect. Let's have something to catch the oil. There's a new man filter. Notice the little small rubber seal. Compare is the same. There is also the big seal. Now we have to replace. Just pull. In the rubber. Clean the canal for the new rubber. There it is. Okay, now we have to reset the interval. Okay, it's done.